We know that any home remodeling project can be stressful and disruptive. One of the most common questions that we get is what the typical timeline is for getting a new shower door. Here are the steps. First, we start with a consultation. This is an opportunity to gather the needs for your project and better understand the situation in your bathroom. We can then review different options with you, any particular constraints or considerations that might be unique to your shower design, and give you an opportunity to see those options in person. This consultation can happen anytime during your bathroom remodel, but we recommend reaching out to us as early in the process as possible. It allows us to discuss the different choices and considerations for your shower door before it might be too late to make any changes. Once the tile has been put in place, our design options may be more limited. During a consultation, we ask that you bring a drawing or picture of the shower layout. This gives us a better understanding of what we are working with, and we can focus the discussion on the points specific to your layout. If you have any pictures of the other bathroom hardware that you will be using, such as the faucets or shower controls, please bring them as they might guide you in your shower hardware selection. After a consultation, we will provide a preliminary estimate for the shower door. This will give you the ballpark estimate of your shower door options. The next stage of the process comes once all the tile work around the shower is in place. We will then schedule a time to come out to your home to get exact measurements of your space and confirm any assumptions that might have been made during the consultation. We'll provide an updated estimate at that time. Once we have your selections and your go-ahead for the shower door, it typically takes 3 to 5 weeks from the time of order for us to be back to install the shower door. That's the basic process we follow at Wolverine Glass. Look for other videos in this series explaining the choices you can make and the process of designing and installing beautiful new glass and mirrors in your home. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on our website, wolverine.glass, or give us a call at 734-426-5600. You can visit our showroom 8 to 4:30 Monday through Friday.